Here's a guide on how to run DLMU segmentation on a dataset consisting of raw DICOM files. For more details on the pipeline, please refer to the Pipeline Overview tab. The Tutorial tab includes instructions on how to run the pipeline. We will start by converting the input DICOM series to NIfTI format. Select the DICOM series you wish to convert. In this tutorial, we'll use a preloaded example. Next, detect the DICOM series by clicking Detect Series. You can see the identified series below. Next, convert the identified DICOM series to NIfTI formatted files. You can select the modality here. In this pipeline, we will select T1. You can view the converted images in View Scans. Once the conversion is done, you can now run the DLMU segmentation. You can see the preloaded files from the previous step. You can also use your own converted NIfTI images in this step by manually selecting a folder containing the files in the Select T1 Images tab. Now you can run the DLMUs method using your choice of computation resource.